What if your money worked for you while you slept? Every single month, thousands of ordinary people collect rent checks from properties they own without lifting a finger. No alarm clocks, no boss, no trading time for money. This is called real estate passive income. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can start even if you think you cannot afford it. First, what exactly is passive income from real estate? When you own a rental property, tenants pay you rent every single month. That rent covers your mortgage, your expenses, and leaves profit in your pocket. Every single month, while you are sleeping, while you are on vacation, while you are spending time with your family, the property works for you, the tenant pays down your mortgage, and over time, you own an asset worth hundreds of thousands of dollars that someone else paid for. This is why 90% of all millionaires have built or maintained their wealth through real estate. Here is what makes real estate truly powerful. It makes you money in 4 different ways at the same time. Number 1, rental income. Your tenant pays you every month. Consistent, predictable, passive. Number 2, appreciation. Property values historically increase 3 to 5% every single year. A $300,000 property becomes $400,000 in just 7 years. Number 3, tax benefits. The government actually rewards real estate investors with deductions that dramatically reduce your tax bill every year. Number 4, leverage. A bank will loan you 80% of a property's value. You put in 20% to price, but you own 100% of the asset. But what if you cannot afford a down payment? This is the biggest myth in real estate, that you need to be rich to start. Strategy number 1, house hacking. Buy a small duplex or multi-unit property. Live in one unit. Rent out the others. Your tenants pay your entire mortgage. Strategy number 2, REITs. Real estate investment trusts let you invest in real estate for as little as $10. You buy shares in large property portfolios and collect dividends, just like owning rental property but without buying a physical building. Strategy number 3, real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise let you start investing in real estate with as little as $10, pooling money with other investors to buy large properties together. Let me show you real numbers so this feels real. Say you buy a $200,000 rental property. You put 20% down, that is $40,000. Your mortgage payment is $900 per month. You charge your tenant $1,400 per month in rent. After expenses, you pocket $300 to $400 every single month in pure passive income. That is $4,800 per year, a 12% return on your $40,000 investment. Now multiply that across just 3 properties. $14,400 per year in passive income. From properties that are appreciating in value, with someone else paying down your mortgage. This is why real estate has created more millionaires than any other asset class in history. The biggest mistake people make with real estate is waiting for the perfect moment. Interest rates are too high. The market is too expensive. I will start next year. Next year becomes the year after. The year after becomes a decade, and a decade later, the person who started imperfectly is collecting passive income while you are still waiting. The best time to invest in real estate was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Start small, start imperfect, start with what you have. Because the path to financial freedom through real estate does not start with the perfect deal. It starts with the decision to begin. Real estate passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a get-rich-slowly and keep-it-forever system. The wealthy have known this for centuries. If you found this valuable, subscribe to Money Doctrine for weekly financial education that the system never taught you. Because the financial truth nobody taught you is that your money should work harder than you do.